Welcome to my Simvoly website builder review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Simvoly is an all-in-one website builder designed to simplify the process of creating professional websites, online stores, and funnels. With drag-and-drop functionality, it's aimed at entrepreneurs, small business owners, individuals who want a visually appealing site without needing coding knowledge. First, let's look at its features. Simvoly offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing users to create custom pages easily. It has a robust selection of pre-designed templates for various niches, including e-commerce, landing pages, blogs, and portfolios. The platform supports responsive design, ensuring your site looks great on any device. For those interested in e-commerce, Simvoly provides built-in tools for product management, payment processing, and inventory control. It also integrates seamlessly with email marketing platforms, allowing you to capture leads and automate communication. Additionally, it includes a sales funnel builder, making it a solid choice for businesses that want to optimize conversion rates. When it comes to strengths, Simvoly excels in user-friendliness. Its drag-and-drop builder is one of the easiest in the industry, making it ideal for beginners. The templates are modern and flexible, and you can make significant customizations without coding. Plus, it's a cost-effective choice, especially for startups and small businesses looking for an affordable, professional site. The inclusion of funnel building tools is also a standout feature, providing a competitive edge over other website builders. However, it does have some weaknesses. While the platform offers flexibility, it lacks some advanced features found in competitors like Wix or WordPress, such as a wider range of third-party integrations or advanced SEO customization. Additionally, its e-commerce features, while sufficient for most users, might not be as robust as dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Users also report that while the interface is intuitive, there's a slight learning curve when getting into the more advanced functionalities. In conclusion, Simvoly is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and individuals seeking a straightforward website and sales funnel builder. It provides all the essential features for building an attractive, functional site with minimal effort. However, if you're looking for more advanced customization or powerful e-commerce capabilities, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it's a solid platform that delivers great value for money, making it a top choice for beginners and those looking to grow their online presence efficiently.